Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Umar Tech YT. Today I'll be telling you about the text option in Photoshop, how to write text on a picture. So let's start. From here we can write anything. You can see it's very small. We have to enlarge the text size. A bit more so it's clearly visible to us. Here you can see we have written tube OK. We can change the color from here. We can change it to any color we want, red, black. We can change edge, saturation, and many more options are here. We can also go to color library and we can manually change the colors whichever we want. Let's say we choose pink and OK. So here is the color pink. We can also change the font size from here. There are different fonts in Photoshop: Emoji 1, Calibri, Cambria Math, Candara, Century Gothic, Comic Sans, MS, Consolas, Constantia, Cobalt. There are a lot of font sizes. We can select Times New Roman. Here are 4 options. We can keep it regular, we can make it italic, we can make it bold, or we can make it bold italic. Let's see, italic looks like this, bold look like this, and italic bold look like this. You've also seen how we can change font size from here. We can also change the sharp, crisp, strong, smooth, window LCD, windows from here. After that we can also change the alignment of the text from here, here, or here. These are different options for alignment of the text. There are several different options. If you want to wrap text, you can make it in arc, scallop, flag, wave, fish, rise, fisheye, inflate, squeeze, and twist. These are all different wrap text options. We can change its blending from here, horizontal distortion and vertical distortion. We'll click OK, and there's another option, toggle the character and paragraph panels. We can keep the changes or we can discard those changes by clicking here and here. There's another option for 3D, making it 3D. By clicking over here, you're about to create a 3D layer. I won't proceed, but you can if you want to make a 3D layer from here. That's all for, you see it has already made a 3D layer. I won't be proceed. That's all for today. I have taught you how to write a text in Photoshop. Please like, subscribe and comment on my YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a good evening.